So in this activity, you have to draw 6 different triangles or shapes. So first thing we're going to do, though, is you're going to have to label or color in the different angles in those shapes. So first is I'm going to make color one of these squares in this color. Doesn't matter what, you can use any color. And I'm going to say that color is going to be for all the acute angles. Then I'm going to choose another color. I'll just go yellow. And this is going to be for all the right angles. Then I'll choose another color, and again, you're going to choose whatever colors you want. And I'll do blue, and these are for the obtuse angles. And then I'm going to choose another one. And these will be for all the straight angles. And we'll just stop there. So then, you're going to make a shape. So I'll kind of move this down a little bit. I'll put a number 1. And I'm going to draw this shape here. And you're going to use a ruler when you do it, so it's nice and neat. So I have my shape. Then I got to look at each of these angles. So there's an angle here, there's an angle here, there's an angle down here, like that. So I have to take a look. What kind of angle is this? And if I know that this is an acute angle, I'm going to choose that color. And I'm going to color just this little part in here. I'm going to color in that pinky kind of red color because it's an acute angle. What about up here? That angle. Yeah, again, it looks like a smaller angle. It looks like an acute angle as well. It's not obtuse. It doesn't go past 90. So I'm going to color this one in pink for the acute. Then I'm going to look at this one down here. This one makes that perfect kind of L shape. It's backwards, but it's still a perfect corner there, just like a corner of a table or corner of a piece of paper. So I'm going to just undo that, get rid of that pink. And those are yellow. So let's change that to yellow. And I'm going to color this angle in yellow. Perfect. So I've got that all labeled, and then I'm going to draw another shape. And I just want it to be a regular black. Just want black. Apply. There we go. Sorry. Okay, so number 2. I'm going to draw maybe this shape. It's like a rectangle here. You're going to use a ruler. And I'm looking at these angles. I can tell that they're all those angles that would be in a piece of paper, the perfect angles. So they're all right angles. So I'm just going to draw these little squares. Anytime they're right angles, they are, you draw a little square in the corner. Sorry, I was distracted by that crow out there. All right. So all right angles are yellow. So I'm going to, that crow again? I'm going to color this in yellow because that's a right angle. This one in yellow. This one yellow. And this one yellow. All because they're all right angles. Then I'm going to move down a little bit. Go to black and do number 3. And maybe this. I'm going to go like this. This. Yeah, like that. Okay, there's a shape. And I'm going to enter any of these right angles, because the right angles you do a square, and all the other angles you just do the little curve. So, no, I don't see any right angles here, so I can just put in little curves. So that's not a right angle, that's not a right angle, that's not a right angle, that's not a right angle. I just got curves. Now I have to decide, okay, this angle right here, that's a small one, so I'm going to say that's an acute angle. So I'm going to color that in. And so you're going to just keep doing that for all of these shapes. So this is acute as well. Now these ones up here, they're bigger than 90 degrees. You see so there's 90 would be there, but they're bigger than 90. So I'm going to undo that just to get rid of those things. And obtuse are blue. So I'm going to color these in blue and this one in blue. All right. And that's all you do for this activity, except you do 3 more. So you're going to have 6 altogether with them all colored in.